So depending on the space in which the spider decides to build its nest, the geometry of the web will change. So sort of thinking about this interdependency between the three parameters, the site, the object, and the machine, I've started developing, potentially naively, but also in retrospect, in a very productive naivete sort of way, a first set of machines for fabricating in existing architectural environments. And the reason why existing architectural environments became really interesting to me is I really wanted to explore not necessarily this notion of building from scratch, which is pretty stereotypical to the field of architecture, but really the notion of revisiting, potentially repairing, and reprogramming spaces that are already there instead of building anew. So this particular machine is able to navigate its environment. The way it navigates its environment is it climbs along vertical or horizontal surfaces, but I guess the vertical surfaces is what matters. So it can climb walls. It can navigate. It knows where it is in space using an external camera system. It can carry a piece of material, and it can interact with another robot of the same type by meeting it at the corner between two walls and passing this material cartridge between them. It can then anchor the material to pre-installed anchors, and thus it's sort of, you can already guess, I assume, where this is going. By performing these three very simple routines, two machines working together in a space can start creating if not architectural, at the very least furniture scale objects in situ. And what is really powerful for me about this particular system is not only the use of mobile robots or the material system of web weaving, but how scalable the system becomes by using these really, really small scale machines. And when I say scalable, I mean not only scaling up, but also scaling down. And I think scaling down is not really talked about in architecture and construction as much, but I firmly believe that it's actually a very important parameter.